Hey people, I want to show you two tools to quickly remove a green screen on your photo. If you're starting from scratch, you'll probably want to open Photoshop and then go File and then open and find your picture. And it's hopefully maybe in the Photos folder or on your desktop. I'm just going to use this one and take one quick moment to tell you that your image should totally be in focus, not the background. I did this myself, and as you can see, I am out of focus and the background is in focus, which is not good. But your pictures are going to be completely in focus. I'm going to use this photo just because this is what I have. So two tools for removing the green background. One is the magic wand tool right over here. If it looks like that, the quick selection tool, you just have to like hard click to get the flyout menu and get the magic wand tool. And then you can click on the green and it'll select a good amount of the green. Probably won't select all the little wrinkles and stuff because the green screens aren't perfect. But if you hold down Shift or add to selection, this little thing over here, at the top, I just hold down Shift and I keep clicking areas that it didn't pick up. Okay, I did a pretty good job at that and even got like in there. Okay, that's a pretty good selection. Oh, I guess like that and maybe between there. Oh, that might be too much. So let's deselect that. Inverse selection, subtract from selection. There you go. And can we add two? No, might have to adjust the tolerance a little bit. Whoops. Let me see, tolerance down to 10. And let's see, where is it? Remove from selection. There we go. There we go. Okay. So that's making the selection of the green screen, and then you can hit mask. Oh, but it masked out me instead of the green screen. You can invert the selection by going select and then inverse. Now I'm selected, not the green screen. You can hit the mask button. And now that I'm masked, you can really place any image. Let me see if I have a quick stock photo here. Boom. Let's enlarge it. And yeah, looks good. Place it. And there I am. I have a new background. So that's all with the magic wand tool. I'm going to now show you how to do it with the color range tool. So let's go back to history and go all the way back in time. All right, so we're starting over, and instead of selecting the background with the magic wand tool right here, I'm going to do it with color range. So you can't see it, but you go to select, and then color range, and this menu pops up, and you are using this like eyedropper tool to select the background. It's selecting colors, and if you doesn't get all the colors you want, you can hit this little plus eyedropper and select more colors until clicking and dragging it. I see a little preview here, and whoops, it might be too much, so I might subtract. Well, that's too much. Let's try this again. Oh, it's too much. Yeah, because the green screen has so many shadows. Okay, let's try it again. This. Right, that might be as best I can get it. Yep, that's the best I can get it. And so when you have like a good amount, or like the best you can do as far as like the mask here goes, you can hit OK, and it'll make the selection, but then you have to actually go and click the mask button. Oops, or invert the selection. Select inverse, and then the mask button. And since you have a mask, you can always paint out these other details with the brush tool. Here's the brush. Let's make the brush bigger, and let's make the brush black, and let's quick get all the little doodads around here. And maybe, whoops, that's too much. down here too. So you can always tighten up the masks as needed. But yeah, and then same thing, you plop in an image and place it and swap the background, and there you go. That's 2 tools to quickly remove the green screen background: the Magic Wand tool and select color range. And this is the color range option comes up.